For many years, GoPro dominated the action camera space, setting the standard for adventurers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and content creators alike. Its name became nearly synonymous with action footage, shaping consumer expectations around portability, ruggedness, and performance. Yet in recent years, DJI has proven to be a formidable challenger, introducing the Osmo Action series and delivering a clear alternative that has steadily chipped away at GoPro's market share. Each new iteration of the Osmo Action line built on the previous one, with tangible improvements in stabilization, screen usability, and image quality, culminating in the widely praised Action 5 Pro. As 2025 unfolds, the spotlight has shifted decisively to the next generation, the DJI Osmo Action 6. This upcoming model is generating considerable anticipation among enthusiasts and professionals, with leaks, FCC filings, and industry chatter hinting at a launch window somewhere between September and October 2025. The big question hanging over the DJI Osmo Action 6 is whether it represents a revolutionary step forward or a polished, incremental upgrade. On the surface, the camera seems to refine and address the weaknesses of its predecessor while maintaining the core strengths that have made the Osmo Action series a credible competitor. FCC certifications, typically one of the last steps before a consumer electronics launch, have already surfaced, offering glimpses of the camera's design and reassuring buyers that a release is imminent. Industry insiders, including respected leakers like Mauro Tondoi, have shared images suggesting that the Osmo Action 6 maintains the familiar dual-screen design while retaining compatibility with standard GoPro mounts. While visually it may appear evolutionary rather than revolutionary, internal specifications suggest DJI is aiming for more substantial upgrades, especially in areas that could meaningfully differentiate it from competitors. One of the most significant rumored improvements is the adoption of a substantially larger 1-inch sensor. This would mark a major leap from the 1x1, 3-inch sensor found in the Action 5 Pro and could put DJI ahead of GoPro's anticipated Hero 14. The benefits of a larger sensor are clear. Increased light capture translates to improved low-light performance, a critical area for action cameras historically limited by their small sensors. Adventurers filming in dawn or dusk conditions, cavers exploring poorly lit environments, or industrial inspectors documenting dark infrastructure all stand to benefit from this improvement. A larger sensor inherently reduces noise, preserves fine detail, and broadens dynamic range, potentially transforming the Action 6 into a significantly more versatile tool. Combined with DJI's existing computational photography strengths, the Osmo Action 6 could offer low-light performance that sets a new benchmark for action cameras. Resolution capabilities are also expected to see a meaningful jump. Rumors indicate the DJI Osmo Action 6 will support 8K video, alongside the now standard 5.3K and 4K modes. On paper, 8K recording offers future-proofing, allowing creators to crop, stabilize, or reframe footage without sacrificing quality. However, this introduces practical concerns. Processing 8K footage generates considerable heat, and sustaining recording at this resolution without thermal throttling will test the camera's cooling capabilities. Additionally, higher resolution recording demands significant processing power, which could deplete battery life more quickly, potentially limiting continuous shooting durations. Moreover, there's the question of whether the typical action camera user truly needs 8K. While it's appealing from a specifications standpoint, the benefits must justify the additional complexity, storage requirements, and post-production effort. More broadly useful features, such as 10-bit recording with flat log profiles, may offer greater creative flexibility, particularly for semi-professional filmmakers looking to integrate the Action 6 into more complex workflows. Battery performance and pricing are central to understanding the Action 6's positioning. Leaks suggest DJI may employ a dual battery strategy, offering a standard 1,770 mAh pack alongside a larger 1,950 mAh variant. This hints at the possibility of a bifurcated product line, standard and Pro models, similar to DJI's approach with its drones. The Pro version would likely include the larger battery, potentially enabling full 8K recording while targeting professional users who demand extended runtimes. The standard model, meanwhile, may offer the core sensor and stabilization upgrades while omitting the highest-end features to maintain a lower price point. Pricing is rumored to land around $440, situating the DJI Osmo Action 6 squarely in the premium action camera market. This places it above entry-level competitors but still competitive relative to GoPro's flagship offerings, balancing performance with affordability. Battery life is expected to exceed 2 hours of continuous shooting under standard conditions, though real-world performance under heavy 8K workloads remains unconfirmed. One of the Action 6's foundational features, stabilization, is also expected to see meaningful improvements. DJI's Rocksteady system has already earned a reputation for delivering gimbal-like stability without adding cumbersome hardware. In the Action 6, AI-driven stabilization algorithms are rumored to be refined, providing smoother footage in extreme scenarios while enhancing horizon leveling and maintaining stability during dynamic action sequences. This improvement is critical in keeping DJI competitive against GoPro's Hypersmooth system and Insta360's flow state stabilization. In an era where smooth video is a baseline expectation, incremental enhancements in stabilization could translate into a tangible advantage for content creators. Connectivity is another area slated for enhancement. Rumors point to the inclusion of Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, providing faster transfer speeds and more reliable live streaming. This goes beyond a mere incremental improvement, addressing a growing need for live broadcasting in various environments. Whether it's remote inspections, event coverage, or live adventure streaming, improved connectivity broadens the Action 6's utility for professional applications. Storage is expected to double from the 32 GB found in the Action 5 Pro to at least 64 GB, reflecting the larger file sizes generated by higher resolution footage and increased bit depth. This addresses a long-standing limitation of previous models and ensures the camera remains practical for extended shooting sessions. Despite these promising upgrades, some concerns have emerged within the enthusiast community. Leaks indicate repeated delays, pushing the launch from early whispers in February 2025 to a likely late summer or fall debut. This has sparked frustration among dedicated users on forums such as Reddit's r/Gsmo. Furthermore, some leaks suggest DJI may have temporarily shifted focus toward its Osmo 360 project, potentially influencing the development timeline or feature ambitions of the Action 6. FCC images, while confirming the familiar rugged, waterproof design, show only subtle refinements. The mysterious pill-shaped element beneath the front screen remains enigmatic, hinting at possible new functionality, but stopping short of radical innovation. These factors feed into the ongoing debate. Will the DJI Osmo Action 6 deliver a true breakthrough, or is it simply a highly competent evolution? In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up as a significant, highly capable step forward in the action camera space. It promises enhanced low-light performance, upgraded stabilization, improved connectivity, more storage, and ambitious resolution capabilities that could redefine expectations for portable adventure cameras. While it may not constitute a paradigm shift, it represents a careful, thoughtful evolution that addresses the key limitations of its predecessor. For many users, particularly those prioritizing image quality, challenging environments, and creative flexibility, the Action 6 could be a compelling upgrade. When DJI officially unveils it, likely in the coming months, the industry will see whether it delivers a revolutionary impact or merely refines an already successful formula. Either way, the DJI Osmo Action 6 will undoubtedly command attention, and the coming weeks will reveal whether it truly lives up to the hype or leaves enthusiasts wishing for more.